Let us solve the first part of question 2 of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5, and we have to find the sum of this given series of AB. So let us see how to solve this question. First we have to let the first term and let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given AP, and there are two parts of this question. First we have to find out the number of terms in this series, and secondly we have to find out the sum. So let us see how to solve this question. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. So A is equals to 7, and we can find the common difference by subtracting first term from the second term is 10 is to 1 over 2, and the first term is 7. And if we can write it as 21 over 2 minus 7 over 1, so this is equals to 7 over 2. Therefore the value of common difference is 7 over 2 and the first term is 7. Now we shall use the general term to find the value of n. This means number of terms in this series, and the general term is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and an is the last term and last term is 84, which is an is equals to 84, that is given to us, and a is 7. We want to find out n, and we know the value of d is 7 over 2. And now we shall take this 7 to the left side of the sign of equality. This means 84 minus 7, and here we remains n minus 1 into 7 over d. So if we subtract 7 from 84, we get 77, and here is n minus 1 into 7 over 2. And now we shall multiply this 2 with this 77. This means we shall cross multiply these numbers. This means 154 equals to n minus 1 into 7. This is 7n minus 7, and this is 154. Now we shall take this minus 7 to this side, then it will be positive 7, 154, this is 7n. So the 7n is equals to 161. Therefore the value of n goes, so the n is 23. Now we shall use the formula of sum, and we shall use a different formula here, that is Sn equals to n over 2 into first term plus last term. If we are given first term, last term and the number of terms, then we can use this formula, and n is 23, so we can put 23 here, and a is 7 and L is 84. Now we can calculate this value. This is 23 over 2 multiplied by 91, and if we multiply this 23 with 91, we get 2093 over 2, and we can write it as 1046 is to 1 over 2. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.